Good morning, my little Shadrachians. So I've just gone over the boundary for North Yorkshire. I'm heading for the North Yorkshire Moors. Lovely days, 11 degrees, but sun's shining. We're all full of high spirits. Not full of spirits because I'm driving. There's a nice smell of toaster petrol in the air. There's quite a few Vespas, Lambrettas and stuff heading towards Scarborough, Whitby way. So yes, stay tuned. I've got my Fjallraven Stubborn with me. It's only a little 18 litre pack, and I've got my swag, my cowboy bedroll. So we'll see what sort of camp we're going to set up. I've got a few different boil in the bag meals. There seems to be a bit of an influx of like Fry Bentos boil in the bag meals, and also Uncle Ben's have got some like sweet and sour stir fries, and there's some other Moroccan rice or something.
Turn right onto A64.
Sorry, it's a sat nav. So yeah, stick around, we'll get some footage. I hope you're all well and you're having a lovely weekend. Stay tuned, my little Shadrachians. I'll be back. Hello, Shadrachio. We are here in the North Yorkshire Moors. Let's get camp set up. So I've set up base. You're gonna love this. I'm just gonna spin you around. Got my bag. Got my food. Set up the pantry. Got my tools up there. Got my water. Got my fireplace and my cook kit. Bit of wood, I'm going to collect a bit more, get that filled up. Got my bed. Welcome to the Singing Bard. Some more twigs. She's a fire-spitting monster. Well, that's me. We're all comfy. Just about to have some dinner. I'm gonna have, I've got a chow mein. So it's like a boil in the bag chow mein. It's usually 90 seconds in a microwave, but I'm just gonna boil it in the bag. Just getting the little fire going. Spitting flames now. We're all set up. Made a little table there. Yeah, we're all good. Put my little lamp up. Some candles and stuff for later. Got plenty of wood. We're all good in the wood. Smoke from my little hobbit cave. Well, it's just gone 10 o'clock. And there's the fire for the night. Keep me warm. Plenty of fuel. Right, I'm going to get my head down. I wish you all good night. Good morning. Slept in till 10 o'clock, I can't believe it. Had my porridge, had a coffee, nice wash, brushed my teeth, all packed up, got my swag. I'm just heading home. Yeah, it was a good one, that one. Fell to sleep with a fire. I think I took a little video of that. Just absolutely dead to the world till 10 o'clock this morning. Anyways, I hope you're all well. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a little thumbs up, I do appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one.